issue of homelessness has been a growing concern recently for many in Roanoke. At the start of the year, the number of people experiencing homelessness went down compared to the last several years, but it seems that it is picking back up again. WFXR News' Amanda Lee has more details on what's being done. She joins us live from downtown Roanoke. And Amanda, what can you tell us?
Good evening, Drew. Yeah, the mayor says the city is taking a similar approach as it did with gun violence. They're asking community members to start supporting those businesses and organizations who do help people who are dealing with homelessness find resources and housing.
Having an effect on some of our businesses in the city, and so it's an urgent issue that we're dealing with.
Mayor Lee says the city is looking into vacant areas and working with some shelters to make sure there's enough room. One problem they run into frequently, he says, is people who want to live outside.
Mental health, drug abuse, those are factors that we have to deal with that makes this even tougher.
A point-in-time report done by the Blue Ridge Continuum of Care showed there were 216 homeless residents in January. Human Services Administrator Matt Cruikshank says now there's 269, a significant jump compared to what they've seen over the last several years.
Trend-wise, we've done really good work in the last 10 years, but during the pandemic, we've seen a lot of challenges. A lot of folks are experiencing hardships with increased rents, with inflation, increased substance use, mental illness that's untreated.
Last month, they counted a total of 91 people who were living outside.
Really, the trend has been an increase in folks staying outside versus shelters.
He says lack of affordable housing is a large contributor, and there's a concern that those numbers could grow in the near future.
We're looking for some space right now that we can create an environment for them. But it's so imperative that we not have these individuals laying in front of businesses, preventing people from going to work or intimidating people.
Mayor Lee says those camping out in front of businesses are often asked to leave by law enforcement, and if they don't comply, it can result in being arrested. For now, reporting live in Roanoke, Amanda Lee, WFXR News.
All right, Amanda, thank you. And if you find yourself in a situation where you are dealing with homelessness, city officials ask that you please reach out to their central intake line.